See, let me tell you, those in government, and those who are working for them, we know what the game you are playing. Okay, all of you, from the president to the ministers, to the senators, to the legislators, and the commissioners, none of you can claim you don't have this new money in your house. You are amassing funds, you are amassing money in order to give to people on the day of election. It will not work. The only solution is that you return to status quo. Leave the old money for us. Let us be spending it. We will not take this lightly with you. I am telling you, we will not take it lightly. If you like, go and bring soldiers. If you like, go and bring SCDC. If you like, go and bring the Air Force. We are here for you. I am telling you. If care is not taken, hello, if care is not taken, if we are hungry to the point of no return, we will boggle banks. Banks may be boggled if you don't. Let me tell you. Now, so the only solution is that stop the issue of deadline. No more deadline on new notes or old notes. Let people be spending money and then withdraw old notes gradually, and that's all. And now let me send a note of warning. If we see any of you, whether PDP or APC or Labour Party, you are distributing money on the day of election and it will not hold. We will fight it. If you give anybody new notes on the day of election, we will fight it to the core. None of you can claim you don't have these new notes in your houses. You have them. I can mention your name. All the presidential aspirants, you have new notes in your houses. And the electorate people that will vote for you, you are making them suffer. We will not allow this. Now, if it's not working, let there be no more Nigeria. Let us have our own government. Or where people who can stand on your own. I will stand on your own.
What do you say about this current situation, sir?
Sharing tó ń lọ pẹ̀lú tó no be vex tó lè bá lè explain dáadáa. Gbogbo tó lọ ní country nísìnyí, a gbọ́dọ̀ make sure pé a fa wàhálà yìí, we have to fight it to finish, because this is the beginning of revolution. Because what is happening to us now, we are suffering in silence. We are suffering in silence. If somebody is sick now, if you go to hospital, they ask you to go and pay for the test. No money to pay for the test. If you have 50,000 in the bank, you can't get that. You can't get 10,000 in the bank. Only they will give you 2,000. Common 2,000 out of 50,000. How do we manage it? In fact, we to survive in this country is unfair. So Buhari there is living better. He's living better. Now we don't want this government anymore. We don't want this government anymore any longer. We are suffering in silence. We don't want them. Now,